Hello class, Mr. Young here. If you're watching this video, that means you're in this page right here. And that means it's after spring break. I hope you had a good, restful spring break. Had some fun, took it easy, maybe went on a trip. I hope you just had a good time in general and you're well rested. And we're back into it pretty much for the home stretch of the school year here. We've got, April is a busy month with PSSA testing and all that. And then it's May all of a sudden, and that's the last full month of school until summer break. So we're really coming around the bend here and headed for the straightaway. This is an interesting situation with spring break being a whole week long, a little over that, in that we did all the content before the break, and now we have the test. The good news is, we had Monday off, Tuesday is the study day, and then Wednesday is the test day. So you have the whole day. There's nothing due today. It's just studying. So I really would advise you to take some time today to go over the chapter, to refresh yourself with the content from over a week ago. You have your usual tools here at your disposal. You've got the summary, which never wants to load up properly, but I assure you, if you click it and pop it out, it is there. Ta-da! You have the study guide itself. If you can answer all these questions, I would say reread the chapter and then maybe see if you can answer these questions. If you look at them, you're going to go, I don't know what these things are. I would strongly advise you to reread the chapter today and then take a look at the study guide. And then we've got the forum here, which of course this is where this video is posted. Here is the Connect Ed site. Here's the virtual textbook. For those of you that might not be familiar with it, all you do is really click the drop down menu here. Well, here's your Connect Ed. Here's what it looks like. Well, this is what mine looks like. If I log out, here's what it looks like. Mine looks different because I'm a teacher. I log in. I have multiple books. You'll have your book here. Oh, here's American Nation. Click on that sucker right there. Find our chapter. This is chapter 19. And then maybe just shoot down there to 1. Go ahead. Reread that again. Go ahead through there. Then hit up the next lesson. And the next lesson. And the next lesson. And that'll probably really set you up for success on the test. I want you guys to do well. I don't want it the fact that, the content was a week ago to handicap you at all. So that's it. If you look at the test, it's going to be 55 points. You're going to have 3 attempts. I'll change it to 3 attempts. Everyone will get a default 3. And if we take a look at it real quick, you'll see that it's a mixture of your vocab matching at the front, and then multiple choice questions, generally in the order in which the information is presented in the textbook and in the lessons. And then we're going to have a little essay question on the back end of this one. 5 points. More is better. How did farmers unite and cooperate to better their condition in the late 1800s? You're going to read about that. So make sure you maybe revisit that and look for that answer while you're rereading the chapter in preparation. We talk all about farmers, so there'll be a couple different ways farmers united and cooperated in order to better their conditions. So there's leeway there for answers. There'll be multiple different, correct answers. Just more is better in the essay questions, guys. More is better. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can shoot them at me. Remember, there's multiple attempts, so if you get something wrong, like maybe you flubbed the essay, feel free to ask me about it, and then you can retake the test, and you'll be, even more prepared to do better that time. That's it. Yeah, as I mentioned, let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, good luck on the test tomorrow, okay?